This 2023 Forest River Berkshire XLT 45CA is a Class A RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a diamond ice interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, and 103 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2023 Forest River Berkshire XLT 45CA is built on a Freightliner XCR Raised Rail chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.